and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever. Good morning, everyone. Here's another day in Sydney. Today we just stayed and hung out with Auntie Fui, my brother Charlie, and then also later on we'll be spending time with our Fuimaonos and some Chong family. So enjoy another vlog. We'll see you later. My love, wanna see it, I was wondering, the cook can see what is on your mind? I'm just waiting for you to tell me, baby. Yeah, Nali. My bed, so I know I'm on your mind. Hi there. So we're on our way to dinner. We're going to the buffet at Penrith RSL. This is Great Western Highway. It's busy because everyone is on their way home from work. We're meeting up with the Fuimaonos, and that's Miladies entering in. We're all signing in right now. It's Cruz, Mom, and Auntie and Uncle. This is my husband Sabu and Raino Lele taking photos before we go and have a feed. Joyce and Cruz again, love them, gonna miss them. Oh, actually not Cruz because he lives here. And we have the Kazis going up to the entrance for the Star Buffet. These are all the gifts that they give out at Penrith RSL. Star Buffet is actually better than Makai. Oh, that's pregnant Emma. She's due any day now. Her husband Nico, Elisa. And we're just doing our prayer to bless the food because we only have 1 hour remaining to grab our meal. And Tay already grabbed his before everybody else.
Welcome to day 3 and welcome to day 4 and we're having Penrith ourselves.
Everyone's walking in to grab their food. There's heaps of variety. This is also my part-time job, handing out plates. There's Ray in the background, not even helping at all. And they have taro here. And it's actually quite nice, the food. So you should go check it out. The way your love is real. Oh, no, my darling. Me, my darling. What else? We got Dad choosing his Chinese food. Me getting more plates in the back. But it's so good to spend time with the family while they're all here. So we're going to miss them when they go back. Elisa and Lele grabbing their sushi. And that's our other milady with her one taro. Are you sure?
I'm not a big fan.
And that's Charlie's food, I think. Or was it Joyce? Oh, yum. Okay, so it's Star Buffet. That's our dessert. All about balanced fruit and sweets. Staying, doing our pictures as we leave. Saying our farewells. And that's Emma, Elisa, and Joyce. Nico, me in the background. And family photo, Sabs just wanted to ruin it. And there's Elisa doing her TikTok dance. And then I was like, bring it. And we're all leaving to say goodbye. Ty, I don't know where he's going. There's Emma and Nicole going home because Emma's probably tired. Now we're back home to try some tealish brownies. So Cruzy and I are gonna try a few flavors. So this is the Biscoff brownie, and there's also different flavors like the Dubai chocolate. My favorite was the caramel. For this one, I would rate it 9 out of 10. Let's go. What do you reckon? That was too confident, Dad. Too confident. Does this stop off you, Mine too, love. Mine too. What do you reckon? Too much. I can't do too much. You reckon? No, but if you look on top. Yeah. Oh, I think you're right. Can I have one as well?
That's the end of day 4.